Africa Content TV.
Good day, my good people of your state. My name is Adebayo Adelabu. As we all know, the gubernatorial candidate for Accord in the coming gubernatorial elections. I'm making this short video to debunk the press statements released by our state party chairman, Prince Ojokolade, and the state secretary, Mr. Adebayo, that they are pledging their support for the incumbent governor, Engineer GovSeyi Makinde, and the PDP due to some certain allegations leveled against me. It is quite laughable and unfortunate that this is coming at this time. This was the same thing that they did to the Accord candidate towards the 2019 general elections, whereby they declared support for the opposition candidates. So we are not as surprised that it's coming at all. Why are they raising such allegations now? And we have been funding the party and been pursuing and prosecuting our gubernatorial aspiration. I want to let you know that it is an act of betrayal, it is an act of backstabbing, and it is unfortunate that it is coming at this time. It is nothing other than monetary inducement by the opposition parties who are bent on destabilizing our campaign activities, because they all know that we are the party to beat in the coming elections. I'm using this opportunity to appeal to all our party members to relax and not to worry about this unfortunate incident. In fact, it strengthens us more. I'm also appealing to our teeming lovers of Oyo State that I'm still prosecuting this my gubernatorial ambition with all